Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write about recent news, recent events accurately using up-to-date information. So as you can see, here I have used ChatGPT to write about the bankruptcy of Silicon Valley Bank, which is a really recent news. It has happened a couple of weeks ago. And if I would have used traditional, original, out-of-the-box ChatGPT, it wouldn't have been able to give me this response. So as you can see, Silicon Valley faced a sudden bank run and capital crisis, leading to its collapse and takeover by federal regulators on Friday, March 10, 2023. Because as you might know, the knowledge cutoff date of ChatGPT is September 2021, so it cannot really write anything about recent news or recent events that happened after September 2021. But as you can see, I have done this here successfully, and all I had to do is use a Chrome extension called WebChatGPT, ChatGPT with internet access. I will also link it in the description below. Open up that link and you're going to be able to add this Chrome extension to your Google Chrome web browser, and it also works on Microsoft Edge or in Brave or any kind of Chromium based browser. And once you have added it to your Google Chrome extension, as you can see, this toolbar will appear here under your prompt bar here. And as you can see, it will scrape 3 results from Google search. And you can also change the default prompt here, but it works quite well. So let's say we want to learn more about not Silicon Valley Bank, but another bank that went bankrupt recently. So let's say, what happened to Credit Suisse Bank? So as you might know, Credit Suisse is another bank that went bankrupt recently. So let's click on generate and let's see what ChatGPT will tell us about this recent event. And as you can see, it has scraped the first 3 results, so Reuters.com, Investopedia.com, and Forbes.com. And according to ChatGPT, Credit Suisse, a Swiss multinational investment bank, collapsed in March 2023 following years of scandals. So as you can see, it gave us a very accurate response based on Google search results. So as you can see, all in all, this is a great way to use ChatGPT to write about recent news, about recent events, and using accurate information from Google search results. Hope you found this tutorial useful.